Hi. Today, let's quickly break down RAID, a way to combine multiple hard drives for better performance, redundancy, or both. RAID stands for Redundant Array of Independent Disks. But what do RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10 actually mean? Let's find out. RAID 0 is all about speed. It splits or stripes your data across 2 or more drives. The result? Faster performance. But there's a catch. If one drive fails, you lose everything. No redundancy here. RAID 1 is all about safety. Here, your data is duplicated or mirrored across 2 drives. If one drive fails, the other has a full copy. The downside? You only get half the total storage capacity. RAID 5 balances speed and safety. It uses at least 3 drives, spreading data and something called parity across them. If one drive fails, your data can still be rebuilt. But rebuilding takes time. RAID 10 combines RAID 1 and RAID 0. It mirrors data and stripes it too. You need at least 4 drives, but you get both speed and redundancy. If you want the best of both worlds, RAID 10 is the way to go. So, quick recap. RAID 0, speed, no safety. RAID 1, safety, no extra speed. RAID 5, balance of both speed and safety. RAID 10, best of all, but needs more drives. Choose the right RAID based on what matters most, speed, safety, or both. By the way, if you're looking for high-performance, reliable storage solutions, check out Simplyblock. We make it easy to manage fast, redundant storage setups. Explore the future of storage with Simplyblock.